Imagine stepping onto your porch and being greeted by full, lush evergreens, frosted branches, glowing lights, and Christmas planters overflowing with color and texture. That's the power of outdoor Christmas planter ideas. They set the scene for your entire home before guests even knock on the door. Today, we're building festive porch pots, elegant holiday urns, rustic winter planters, and simple Christmas planter ideas that look breathtaking day and night. If you're ready to make your entryway unforgettable, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for festive styling, seasonal decor, and holiday inspiration. Today's video is packed with beautiful outdoor Christmas planter ideas, Christmas planter decoration ideas, and DIY holiday porch pots you can create using evergreens, ornaments, berries, and winter textures. Whether you love simple arrangements or elegant outdoor Christmas planters, this guide will help you decorate your entryway with style. What are the essential elements for outdoor Christmas planter ideas? Evergreens like pine, cedar, fir, and spruce form the base of nearly every winter planter. Add red berries, pine cones, birch branches, and festive picks for height and texture. These natural elements stay fresh through winter and bring instant holiday charm. How can I create simple DIY outdoor Christmas planters? Start with a basic pot or urn filled with soil or foam. Insert evergreen branches and layer in berries, twigs, and ornaments. Even beginners can build beautiful DIY Christmas porch pots with just a handful of natural greens and a few decorative accents. What makes rustic Christmas planter ideas special? Rustic planters use natural, unpolished elements. Think birch logs, pine cones, cedar branches, eucalyptus, and jute boughs. These create a cozy woodland aesthetic perfect for farmhouse porches and winter entryways. Love rustic design? Hit like to see more farmhouse Christmas content. How do I make elegant outdoor Christmas planters? Use rich, full evergreens with gold or silver ornaments, velvet ribbons, metallic branches, and structured arrangements. Elegant outdoor Christmas planters often use symmetry and tall accents for a clean, polished look. What are good winter porch pot ideas that last beyond Christmas? Stick to natural greens, white berries, neutral ribbons, frosted pine, birch sticks, and simple winter accents. These evergreen winter planter ideas remain beautiful from December through February. How can I decorate outdoor planters with ornaments? Use shatterproof ornaments in red, gold, white, or green. Attach them to wooden picks or floral wires so they stay secured inside the arrangement, even in windy winter weather. What kinds of lights work best for Christmas planters with lights? Battery-operated fairy lights or outdoor-safe mini LED strands add soft illumination. Wrap them around branches or weave them through greenery for a magical nighttime glow. How can I use red berries in Christmas planter decoration ideas? Red berries add festive pops of color. Use winterberry stems, faux berry picks, or dogwood branches for height. They look beautiful against evergreen textures and snow-covered porches. What are some ideas for pine and cedar outdoor planters? Mix long cedar drapes with full pine branches for volume. Add pine cones, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or frosted picks for a natural Christmas look, rich in texture and scent. How can I design front porch Christmas planters for symmetry? Place matching planters on each side of your door. Use identical greenery, height, lights, and decor. Symmetrical entryway Christmas planter decor creates a grand and welcoming holiday entrance. What are good entryway Christmas planter decor ideas? Combine evergreens, birch poles, ribbons, and winter berries. Add lanterns or LED candles beside the planters for extra warmth. Matching wreaths and porch pots create a cohesive holiday entryway setup. How do I use tall branches for Christmas urn arrangement ideas? Use birch branches, red dogwood twigs, or gold glitter branches as height pieces. Insert them in the center of the planter, then surround them with lush greens and ornaments for a dramatic holiday display. Comment below, do you prefer birch sticks or red branches in your planters? What are some holiday outdoor planter decorations that look expensive but are affordable? Use faux greenery mixed with reusable ornaments, ribbon bows, and LED lights. Dollar store berries and thrifted branches can elevate your planters without breaking the budget. How can I make DIY Christmas porch pots eco-friendly? Use real cut branches, dried oranges, pine cones, and natural materials instead of plastic decor. Repurpose old pots, baskets, or even metal pails for a sustainable holiday look. What are the best simple Christmas planter ideas for beginners? Fill a pot with cedar branches, add a few pine stems, place 3 pine cones, add a cluster of red berries, and finish with a ribbon bow. It's fast, easy, and always beautiful for any porch or patio. Outdoor Christmas planters are one of the easiest ways to elevate your porch, patio, or entryway during the holidays. Whether you love rustic Christmas planter ideas, elegant outdoor Christmas planters, evergreen winter designs, or DIY Christmas porch pots, each planter brings warmth and festive spirit to your home. Mix evergreens, berries, branches, ornaments, and lights to create arrangements that glow all season long. This year, let your outdoor spaces shine with beautiful holiday planter decor. Enjoyed these Christmas planter ideas? Give this video a thumbs up. Which planter style fits your porch? Rustic, elegant, simple, or festive? Explore our Christmas outdoor decor playlist in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas DIY decor and porch styling ideas. Check out our Christmas entryway, porch, and window decor videos.